In a surprising turn of events, the Young and the Restless fans are saying goodbye to one of their favorite characters. Allison Lanier, who has been portraying Summer Newman on the long-running CBS soap opera, recently announced that she will be leaving the show. The actress took to social media platform X, formerly Twitter, to share the news, confirming that her final episode will air on Friday, May 2nd. In her tweet, Allison wrote, "Hey everyone! This Friday, May 2nd will be my last episode on WNR." She then went on to express her gratitude, stating, "I've loved this journey and learned so much, but it's time to move on in a different direction. So grateful to all the YNR fans who have supported me." Translation: I've loved this journey and learned so much, but it's time to grow in a new direction. Very grateful to all the YNR fans for their support. This marks a significant moment in the series, as Summer Newman has been an integral part of YNR's storyline for quite some time. Summer, as the daughter of Nick Newman and Phyllis Summers, has experienced her fair share of drama, romance, and personal growth on the show, making her departure a bittersweet moment for many fans who have followed her journey over the years. Summer Newman's legacy on YNR. Allison Lanier's portrayal of Summer began in 2021, taking over the role from Hunter King, who had previously played the character. Summer's character arc has been marked by significant challenges and triumphs, including her complex relationships with family members and romantic partners. From navigating her relationship with Kyle Abbott to her tumultuous involvement with her mother Phyllis, Summer has always been at the heart of some of YNR's most gripping and emotional moments. Lanier's portrayal of Summer brought a fresh energy to the character, and her departure will certainly leave a hole in the show's dynamic. Summer's journey from a rebellious young woman to a more mature and responsible character has resonated with fans, and her departure marks the end of an era for the character on YNR. What's next for Allison Lanier? While Allison Lanier is leaving The Young and the Restless, she expressed that her decision to move on was motivated by her desire for new opportunities. She mentioned the excitement of growing in a new direction, hinting at potential new projects and challenges ahead. Given her talent and success on YNR, it's likely that fans will see her in future roles, whether in television, film, or other creative pursuits. Lanier's fans have rallied behind her, sharing messages of love and support in the wake of her announcement. The actress has certainly left a lasting impression on her fans and colleagues alike, and it will be exciting to see where her career takes her next. The impact on YNR. As for The Young and the Restless, Summer's exit is sure to create ripples in the show's storyline. Summer has been involved in numerous ongoing storylines, including her marriage to Kyle Abbott, her relationships with her family, and the constant drama surrounding the Newman family. How the writers choose to address her departure and what will happen to her character remains to be seen, but it's certain that Summer's absence will shift the dynamic of Genoa City. Given Summer's connections with key characters like Kyle, Phyllis, and Nick, the show will need to find a way to resolve her story arc in a satisfying way for the audience. Fans of the character will no doubt be curious about how her departure will affect the lives of those around her, especially Kyle, as they've been at the heart of one of the show's most dramatic couples in recent years. Final thoughts. A new chapter for Allison Lanier. Allison Lanier's decision to leave The Young and the Restless is a major shift, and while it's sad to see her go, fans are excited to see what the future holds for her. Her departure is a reminder of the ever-changing nature of daytime television, where characters come and go, and new opportunities arise for talented actors like Lanier. As she embarks on this new chapter of her career, we wish her all the best in whatever comes next. And for YNR fans, Summer Newman's journey may be over, but her legacy will live on in the hearts of those who follow her story. As May begins, the imminent departure of Allison Lanier from The Young and the Restless on Friday, May 2nd, has fans on edge, speculating about what might be in store for her character, Summer Newman. Summer, a longtime staple of the series, has been part of Genoa City's landscape since her debut in 2006. As the daughter of Phyllis Summers and Nick Newman, Summer's storyline has been intertwined with the most dramatic and impactful moments in the soap opera's history. Her exit is sure to mark a significant turning point for the show, and fans are wondering whether her departure will be met with a catastrophic event for the character, or if it will simply be a part of her evolving narrative. Summer Newman's impact on Genoa City. Summer has always been a key figure in YNR, evolving from a rebellious teenager to a complex adult character caught between family loyalty, romantic entanglements, and her own ambitions. Over the years, Summer has had several impactful storylines that have kept fans hooked, including her tumultuous relationship with Kyle Abbott. Their love story, often referred to as Skyle, has been a fan favorite, with many fans rooting for their reunion after their initial separation. Summer's relationship with Kyle has seen many highs and lows, from their shared business ventures to their emotional struggles and reconciliations. Allison Lanier took on the role of Summer in 2022, quickly becoming a fan favorite due to her fresh take on the character. Lanier's portrayal of Summer brought a new energy to the role, making her the center of several storylines that have shaped the series' more recent seasons. Fans have embraced Lanier's interpretation of Summer, and it's clear that she made her mark on YNR in a short amount of time. The uncertainty of Summer's future. With Lanier's departure, fans are left wondering what's next for Summer. Summer has been a pivotal character, and with her exit, the future of Skyle seems uncertain. The fanbase has long hoped for a reunion between Summer and Kyle, but with Summer's exit, this reunion appears more unlikely than ever. Kyle, played by Michael Mealer, will likely face the fallout from Summer's departure, and it's possible that his storyline will take a different direction, focusing more on his personal journey without the love of his life by his side. For many, the question remains whether Summer will be written out of the story or if her absence will be addressed in a more dramatic fashion, potentially with a tragic event or an unexpected twist. Could Summer meet an untimely demise, or will her departure be explained in a way that leaves room for a return? Could Hunter King return as Summer Newman? As the door closes on Allison Lanier's run as Summer, one of the most frequently asked questions from fans is whether Hunter King, the original actress to portray Summer, might return to the role. King's portrayal of Summer was beloved by many, and her departure from YNR in 2021 left a gap in the character's arc. While some fans have speculated about a potential return, there's no confirmation from the network or the show's writers that King will reprise her role. Hunter King's return would certainly be an exciting development for longtime fans of YNR, especially those who have been vocal about wanting to see Summer reunited with Kyle. However, whether or not King would come back to the show, and how her return would fit into the current storyline, remains to be seen. There's always a possibility for recasting, or even introducing a completely new version of Summer, but it's hard to deny that Hunter King's iconic run as Summer holds a special place in the hearts of fans. The emotional goodbye. Will fans miss Allison Lanier? Allison Lanier's departure from The Young and the Restless is sure to be emotional for both fans and cast members alike. Lanier took over the role of Summer in 2022 after Hunter King's exit, and she quickly became beloved by viewers for her engaging performance and fresh interpretation of the character. Her chemistry with the cast, especially Michael Mealer, Kyle Abbott, added a new layer to the Skyle relationship, making fans invest deeply in their love story. As Summer Newman moves on from Genoa City, fans will undoubtedly feel the void left by Lanier's departure. Summer has been part of Genoa City for many years, and her absence will be keenly felt, especially as the characters who interacted with her, Kyle, Phyllis, Nick, and others, continue to deal with the fallout of her exit. While the future of Summer is uncertain, one thing is clear: Allison Lanier's time on the show has been impactful, and her portrayal of Summer will be remembered by fans for years to come. What does the future hold for Summer in Genoa City? As The Young and the Restless moves forward, it's clear that Summer's exit will set the stage for new developments in Genoa City. Whether or not her departure leads to a dramatic shift in the storyline remains to be seen. However, the impact of her character, her relationships, her role in business, and her emotional journey has left an indelible mark on the series. Fans will continue to watch with bated breath to see how Summer's absence is addressed. Will Kyle move on, or will he hold out hope for a reunion? Will Phyllis struggle with the absence of her daughter, And how will Nick cope with the fallout from his daughter's departure? In the world of YNR, where change is constant, Allison Lanier's exit marks the end of one chapter and the beginning of another. How the show handles this transition will be critical in determining whether Summer's story will continue to impact the lives of the Newmans and Abbotts, or if the show will venture into a new direction without her. As always, The Young and the Restless has a way of keeping its fans on the edge of their seats, and Summer Newman's next chapter, whether it's an exit for good or a mysterious twist, is sure to keep viewers talking for weeks to come. Let us know. Will you miss Allison Lanier's portrayal of Summer Newman? Do you think Hunter King should return, or do you think it's time for a new chapter for the character? Share your thoughts in the comments below.